Hi everyone, today I wanted to talk about how you can use ChatGPT in social media to improve your experience and engage with others. First things first, if you haven't already, you will want to find and follow ChatGPT on your favorite social media platforms. ChatGPT is available on various platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn, so you can choose the one that you prefer. Once you have found and followed ChatGPT, you can start interacting with it. The easiest way to do this is by sending a direct message or a mention. You can say something like, "Hi ChatGPT, can you help me with X?" or "I am curious about Y. What do you think, ChatGPT?" ChatGPT will then analyze your message and respond with an appropriate answer. This can be anything from a simple yes or no to a more detailed explanation or recommendation. Just keep in mind that ChatGPT is an AI language model, and while it's very smart, it's not perfect. So it might not always understand what you are asking or give you the answer you are looking for. Another way to use ChatGPT in social media is to get inspiration for your own content. ChatGPT can generate ideas, topics, and even full sentences or paragraphs that you can use in your posts and messages. Simply ask ChatGPT to generate something related to your niche or topic and see what it comes up with. Lastly, you can also use ChatGPT to engage with others. For example, if you see someone asking a question or looking for advice in a social media group or forum, you can use ChatGPT to help them out. Just mention ChatGPT in your response and ask it to provide an answer or recommendation. This can help you establish yourself as an expert in your field and build relationships with others.